Welcome, today in front of me Poco C40 and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the passwords and security section. After that, click here to the privacy and you'll see here SIM lock section with your network on mobile network, and after that you'll see here lock SIM card switcher. Just tap here once to activate it and enter the pin code. For example, in my case that will be from 1 to 4. Then just tap here to OK, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.